You got hysterical hiccups. You're hysterically laughing and hysterically hiccuping. Is it ever going to end? Oh, Lord. There's another one. When are you going to stop? Oh, that's a new one. They've morphed. Can you see?
Barely.
Oh, my God.
Okay, I think they're gone.
Yeah, you got that Stevie Wonder thing going too, huh?
Huh?
You hiccup and you got the Stevie Wonder thing going. Hold your mouth. Something might fly in there. Uh-oh. Hold your nose. Hold your nose and hold your mouth.
That didn't work. Okay. Okay.
Are you finished? You choking now? You went from hiccuping to choking. You alright? Good God. You look like what Stevie Wonder would look like if he had the hiccups. You done? Oh, Lord. Jesus. You supposed to hold your breath. Damn, you're not good at holding your breath either, huh? Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, hold the breath. Good God.
Okay. Okay.
You would drown.
Okay.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go. I'm holding my breath for you. Oh, no, you didn't choke.
Wait. You're not funny.
You sound drunk. It's not funny. Oh. How dry I am. Nobody knows. Huh?
Found a bunch of these.
I don't know.